Box open video, TorqStorm centrifugal supercharger. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, what do we got, Gary?
So the heart and soul of this unit is the actual TorqStorm supercharger. You can see here all the beautiful billet construction on it. The main bracket, it's super thick, so it won't flex and give you any issues. And it comes with both for this kit, it does a 6-rib drive for the accessory and an 8-rib for the blower itself. It's got all your pulleys and everything like that, like the crank pulley. Everything here's, I love that it's all made in-house by TorqStorm.
Yeah.
So all these beautiful billets, all American made. And that's actually one of the things I love most about this kit is the fact it's so American made. Everything on it is just great quality. And as a veteran, that's one of my favorite things about it.
It's a complete kit too, isn't it? Everything.
Absolutely. This is a whole front drive kit. So it comes from everything from a brand new alternator, AC compressor, everything you really need to set this up and make it a drive like a late model truck again. And brand new power steering pump, everything.
And it's a late model pump too, right?
It is, absolutely. It's going to get a lot of miles. It even comes down to a late model compressor and everything as well with it.
Very cool. 40 to 50% advertised horsepower gains. Yes, please. TorqStorm.